Previously on the CloutStang YouTube channel.
Alright, let's go ahead and make it to the drag strip. Holy, that's sped up. You sped it up. Ah, trash.
What did she tell you?
I need a parachute.
43 ran.
Oh yeah.
186 with a 5 to the 60 foot and
Beat me right there, boy.
YouTube, how's it going? If you guys couldn't tell by the title of this video, okay, it's been a few days since the accident happened, but I ended up blowing the motor in my 2018 Coyote Mustang GT a day after running a new PR over at the drag strip. We had a couple of issues with the transmission, shift points, stuff like that. We were going to get them resolved in the future. And then I'm driving home from the gym one day and I give it about 20% throttle. This is right after I filled up with some E85. Woo! Listen to this! And it just goes, wah, boom, shatters everywhere. The car's shaking. I thought I got hit in the rear. I thought I got rear-ended. Okay, boys. I think I just blew my motor. I think I just blew my motor. There's no way. No way I just blew my motor. There's no way. There's no way. I refuse to believe that I just blew it up. Oh, that's oil. Oh, all right, now I'm about to go ahead and get this thing towed home. All right, we got the car very safely jacked up. What, it's bad?
It's not good.
Not good? Why?
I'm pretty sure there's an oil ring right here.
Oh, no. We're cooked.
Bro.
No. No.
That's not ideal.
As you guys can see, there are multiple holes in the block. We kind of tear it apart and do a little bit more damage inspection, but yes, I snapped a connecting rod and it catastrophically destroyed the engine. The Mustang is sitting outside and there has already been a lot of work done to it. And I apologize to you guys for not showing you every single step of the way, but a lot of stuff has gone down. I filmed most of it for TikTok and Instagram and stuff like that, like portrait mode. So the YouTube is the one that's horizontal. So this is pretty much the very first clip that you guys are gonna see about me with the car and what happened. And I'm just gonna show you some of the parts that I've already taken off of the car. Anyways, let me show you guys some of the parts that I've already taken off the car, try to explain what I'm doing, what direction I'm going with the car. And obviously, we are going to come back stronger, better, faster, and just overall, I've learned that when negative things happen in your life, it's always a prelude to something better. So all thanks to the one above, and we're gonna go ahead and show you some of those parts now. We got the bumper out, we got the intercooler out, we got the expansion tank out, we have the intake, it's just the stock 2018 intake. Oh, that's my phone, my bad guys. We got the Procharger D1X, it's all just sitting here. We have to do this custom intercooler piping because I kept blowing off the rubber hoses, but we got aluminum intercooler piping with one of my favorite clamps ever. Taking this off was actually super, super easy. This is the part that goes onto that intake over there. We got the D1X Procharger. It's pretty much solid. I'm probably gonna get it powder coated, or I might sell the kit and go Twin Turbos while we're here. We got the 4 triple pump fuel rails. We got the radiator, all of that stuff, some random cooler, and then a bunch of other parts as well. And my garage is a mess because I'm also rebuilding a blown up LS for my Chevy Silverado, which is sitting outside. And here it is, we got the Mustang, pretty much just chilling. Just go ahead and open the hood and show you guys everything that I've done so far. And there we go. Oh, this looks so sweet. I found a stock motor on Marketplace for $800. I spent another $200 on a head gasket set, and basically everything that I need for the motor to go back, I've spent all in about $1,200. I have the heads for the old motor. We actually got everything taken apart with the old motor. We got it out. We got all the headers off. We got the transmission disconnected. Everything is ready to go motor-wise, but I have a new There it is, F-150 motor. It's a used F-150 motor. I think the owner said it was like 40,000 miles, which is less than what I had on the previous car. It's just a stock Gen 3 block on the bottom. It has a F-150 fuel oil pump, which we have our old oil pump there with the billet MMR gears. We're gonna be using that set to put on this. We're gonna be putting all of the stock parts pretty much back on this F-150 motor. I did go ahead and paint it red because, I don't know, it looks really cool. We got the BMR motor mounts coming in too that are gonna match. These are the stock Mustang cams, all of the parts to it. We got the stock head gasket, and we have all of the timing components and stuff over here. And now, I haven't mentioned it before, but the motor did blow up catastrophically because the connecting rod snapped. It wasn't bad fuel, it wasn't a bad tune or anything like that. It was just too much power for way too long, and it simply just snapped both connecting rods off. And let me show you just the box of parts that I have over here. You can see here, there's a little bit, it's like a little lean, but overall everything is in great condition. And there was just the one piston that is actually broken isn't here right now. But you can see all of the metal shavings in here. You can see the pin. Pretty much the connecting rod snapped and just destroyed everything. The motor blew up because we made way too much power, and it's almost back together.
One eternity later.
YouTube, really quickly, we are about to start the Mustang for the very first time. I've already cranked it, primed it, we got the truck. I wish I filmed a lot more as I was rebuilding it, but I will explain everything. But here we go, here's the first start, dude. I'm hyped. We're just gonna set up the camera and hope that everything works out properly. We'll see, I don't know. I'm really nervous. So after I put everything back together, I accidentally incorrectly timed it. I was watching a YouTube video and it gave me the wrong instructions. So I retimed it, and then about 8 hours later, check out. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be curious, how the heck did you end up with twin turbos over the Procharger? Well, actually, about 2 weeks before this video, I ended up trading the Procharger kit for a On3 Performance kit. Turns out it was the wrong year kit, and the turbos also had blown seals. But we did get kind of scammed on that, but obviously we got everything set up, and the first start is with the twin turbo kit. So check it out, here we go. Ooh, am I in the frame? All right, YouTube, we're about to do the very first start. I just finished retiming the motor. The motor was not timed properly. But yeah, let's go ahead and just crank it, get some oil pressure, and we should be good to start it. I hope I did everything right. Here we go.
It's also midnight.
Who doesn't want twin turbo Mustang? Here we go. Okay, please work. Excuse. Oh, that was a starting fluid, bro. It spins so much better now. Holy shit! Are you ready? Okay, we'll spin it over just a little bit more. What? Are you ready?
I don't know if I'm ready.
Ready?
I don't know if I'm ready for all this.
Did you just, bro, why does it keep pumping? That's gotta be like,
No, that was
first
just starting
time.
fluid, dude. Yeah, and also
First
it's
time.
first fresh.
It spins so easy now. Holy shit, it was out of time. I'm retarded. Alright, you ready?
Yes, sir. Now for the first start.
Here we go. Oh shit, I'm nervous.
Me too.
Ready?
Yep.
Yo, let's go! Holy shit!
Oh my god.
Let's go!
You're in front of the camera.
Oh!
Dude!
Bro, when that motherfucker spin it? Yeah.
Bro!
Oh, that was like first try. Let's see that shit.
Holy shit!
One more time. One more time.
said that turbo is smoking a lot?
Yeah. Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's literally like.
That was coming in the motor, bro.
No, you can see it right there. It's literally coming from in here where it's not even hot yet.
There's a little oil leak. But that's okay, there's a big oil leak.
Big oil leak.
It's gotta be from the seals.
That's oil.
Well, if you guys couldn't tell from those clips, we did manage to get the Mustang running and not driving quite yet. We have a few things to button up. The Mustang is still sitting right there. We have the twin turbo kit. I actually ended up taking off the turbos and running it just like that to make sure it wasn't oil inside the engine. It wasn't, okay? So I'm pretty sure we just have a couple of blown seals in the turbos. We might need an oil restrictor because these mod motors make a lot of pressure for the turbos. I actually think we had an oil restrictor in one of them. So I have to take the turbos apart anyways to reclock them and fab up a bunch of stuff. But that is pretty much where we're at with the Mustang. We got the motor in, we got it running, we got the twin turbo kit in, we got that running. Now we're just fixing a bunch of small things here, but I am going on a little vacation here. I'm still recovering from surgery. I had gynecomastia surgery. We're still doing really good on that, but I really do appreciate every single one of y'all for watching this video. If you want more Mustang content, don't forget to subscribe, okay? If you subscribe, you'll get notifications when I get videos up, and it would really mean a lot to me. Plus, leave a comment and drop what you think I should do with the turbos, where you should think I should face them, and don't forget, keep up with my socials for the most current up-to-date stuff. Just to show you guys a little bit more with the Mustang before I run out of battery, let's go ahead and lift it up. Boom. Oh, focus, focus. It's really, really, really bright outside, but as you can see, we got the turbos out. I'm going to be cutting up this piece right here, extending it. We're going to be putting the turbos in the right place, but we got the new motor in. We got the Mustang running. I could probably start it right now. Actually, let me try that. Probably not a great idea, but just to show you guys that it cranks, and technically it still runs. Let's go ahead and start it up. Woo! You guys couldn't tell, we have a little bit of oil still inside of those exhausts from those leaky turbos. But other than that, everything is working fine. I do have a bunch of stuff to do. I'm relocating wiring harnesses, I'm extending out the pipes, and we're getting this thing 100% buttoned up. Which will probably take a month or two because I'm taking it a little bit easier on the Mustang. I have dumped way too much money into this car recently. But we got the motor in, we got the car running, motor is solid, hopefully. So far everything's been solid, and until next time. Also, if you want some cool merch, I'm not wearing it right now, but if you want some cool merch, check out CloutStang.com. I would really, really appreciate it. Every single purchase goes to help support the build. And until next time, I really do appreciate every single one of you guys for watching.